For Dallas residents, where extreme heat, occasional storms, and varying seasons are part of everyday life, having properly installed doors is crucial. More than just a functional feature, doors impact your home's energy efficiency, security, aesthetics, and overall comfort. While the quality of the door matters, the way it is installed can make or break its performance. Here's why properly installed doors are a must for Dallas homeowners and the many benefits they bring. Improved energy efficiency. Dallas summers are scorching, and winters, while mild, still demand heating to maintain indoor comfort. A poorly installed door can allow air leaks, causing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy costs. Properly installed doors create a tight seal, eliminating gaps and drafts that lead to energy loss. Key benefits include reduced energy bills. Proper insulation minimizes the strain on your heating and cooling systems, saving money on utilities. Consistent indoor temperatures. A well-sealed door helps maintain a stable and comfortable indoor climate year-round. Environmental impact. Lower energy consumption means a reduced carbon footprint, contributing to a greener Dallas. Enhanced home security. A secure door starts with proper installation. Even the sturdiest door can be compromised if it isn't installed correctly. Loose frames, misaligned locks, and gaps around the edges make it easier for intruders to gain entry. Professional installation ensures reinforced frames. The frame is securely anchored to the home's structure, providing a strong barrier. Properly aligned locks. Deadbolts, multi-point locks, and smart locks are fitted precisely for optimal function. Impact resistance. The door is positioned to withstand pressure, making it harder to force open. With a properly installed door, you can feel confident that your home and loved ones are safe. Increased durability. Doors in Dallas face a variety of environmental challenges, from intense sunlight and heat to humidity and storms. Improper installation can lead to warping, sagging, or water infiltration, which shortens the lifespan of your door. Proper installation protects against these issues by ensuring the door is level and aligned, preventing unnecessary stress on hinges. Sealing against moisture to prevent wood rot, rust, or mold growth. Protecting against wear and tear, ensuring the door operates smoothly for years. A properly installed door is a long-term investment that withstands the test of time. Enhanced curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A well-installed door not only looks great but also functions perfectly, enhancing your home's curb appeal and overall value. Whether it's a modern steel door, a classic wooden design, or a sleek fiberglass model, proper installation ensures a flawless fit that highlights the door's design. Smooth operation, avoiding sticking or squeaking. Professional craftsmanship that elevates the appearance of your home. For Dallas homeowners looking to increase their property's marketability, a properly installed door is a simple yet impactful upgrade. Noise reduction. And living in a bustling city like Dallas means dealing with street noise, neighbors, and other distractions. Properly installed doors provide better noise insulation, creating a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Features like tightly sealed edges and insulated cores block external sounds, making your home a sanctuary from the outside world. Moisture and weather resistant. Dallas's unpredictable weather, including heavy rain and high humidity, can wreak havoc on doors that aren't installed properly. Poorly sealed doors can allow water to seep in, leading to damage like wood rot, rust, or mold. Proper installation ensures tight seals, keeps rain and humidity out while preventing moisture buildup. Durable materials, protects against warping, swelling, or cracking due to weather exposure. Storm readiness, reinforces your door's ability to withstand strong winds and debris impact during storms. These protections help maintain the structural integrity and appearance of your doors, even in challenging conditions. Enhanced functionality. A door that doesn't open, close, or lock properly is more than just an annoyance, it's a security and energy efficiency concern. Proper installation ensures smooth operation by addressing hinge alignment, prevents sagging or sticking over time. Lock performance, ensures all locking mechanisms engage seamlessly. Ease of use, creates a functional and reliable entryway for daily use. When your doors function as intended, they add convenience and reliability to your home. Cost savings over time. While DIY door installation may seem like a way to save money, improper installation can lead to costly repairs or replacements down the road. Issues like drafts, misaligned locks, or warped frames often require professional intervention to fix. By investing in proper installation from the start, Dallas homeowners save money in the long run through reduced maintenance, energy savings, and fewer replacements. Conclusion. Properly installed doors are essential for Dallas residents who value security, energy efficiency, and home comfort. From protecting against weather and intruders to enhancing curb appeal and functionality, the benefits of professional installation are undeniable. If you're considering a new door for your Dallas home, don't leave the installation to chance. Partner with a trusted professional to ensure your door performs beautifully and stands the test of time. It's a small investment with significant rewards for your home and peace of mind.